Hey guys, it's me again. So 2 weeks ago I went to the Cleaning Expo and I treated myself to some new gutter poles. So I'm going to show you what I got. So I'll just turn the camera around. This is the bag that I got with it. Ignore that phantom pole that's inside because I used that just for some other bits that I can't reach, and I put a scraper on it. So I ended up getting this rigid neck, and then I ordered this one after because I fancied, in fact I need to take that off. So everything's still in its packaging. This is the first time I've used it. I bought this 90° after because sometimes I do need that. So I got all the same colour. Just try and get them out. I think this is the base one. So every single pole, I think there's 6 of them altogether, look like this. Just had to pause the video then, sorry guys, because customer came out chatting to me. Anyway, I've just put these two together. I'm slowly taking them all out of the packet. So there's 6 of these tubes, and I bought all the connections with it as well, camera connections, everything that I don't like to be without. So right, I'm gonna set this up and get this gutter cleared. So that's nice and clear all the way along there. I'll tell you what I have noticed with these poles, they're heavier than my others. I'm not used to the rigid neck, so I've got to get used to that as well. But yeah, they're nice and clear up there, all the way along. I'll do. Just get the dust out of this. I know it's empty, but it'll be dusty. There's a nail in it as well. Something else I've noticed with this as well is these nozzles only just fit in. I'll have to get the narrow one out for this. I'll just get what I can. They're already clear, aren't they? So seen me use my new gutter poles today, so I'm just going to show you what came out of those gutters. Don't know if you can see it, but it's about halfway, is that, or nearly, might be just below halfway, but even that's better than being too close to the filter. So yeah, I'm going to now put it into a bag. Here it is, all bagged up. I'd say that's about 20 kilos in weight. I'm just going to put it in this bin. Let's move my pole, put it in this bin and say goodbye to that. So I need to now get it all into my van. So I'll let you see me put it away. When I get home I'll wash the gutter vac out. I'll put a bungee cord around that shortly, although I don't need to because it wedges in nicely. These poles sit on top of the tank. Perfect up there then. So I've left my backpack there because I'm just going to give it a little scrub around the windows because it's having a first time window clean today as well. There this time for now. My backpack in as well. I'll just bungee this with a bungee strap here. Someone's got a silly sound engine. That's a motorbike. That doesn't seem in the right place at the minute. Jackets that are holding it back. I'm not sure. This fit in lovely earlier, so I need to get it back in. Oh, I know what, I will put it. I'll put it there because I've got my backpack to go in as well. So there we are. All nice and neat. Need this out now. Right guys, thanks for watching anyway. That's the gutter stuff put away. I'm gonna stop the video here and just crack on with a window clean now because I want to get this finished.